Welcome to Freelance Forever. This is part of our tutorial section, and we are going to learn how to insert a video into a project. So we're using Wondershare Filmora. This is not Filmora 9, it's Wondershare Filmora, and we want to insert a video into a project that we already have. So this is really quick, so it doesn't take much time. But we already have our project set here on the screen. And what's going to happen is the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to import your video that you want to use into the program. So if you don't know how to do that, we'll show you later on how to import your video into the program. But we already have a video imported. This is just another video, so it's the same way that you imported your first video. So you import that into your program. So we have that here. And then the next thing you're going to do is find the spot that you want to have your video. So like your video is going, and you'll have another video inserted within that video, and then you'll go back to your video. So what's going to happen is we have our video playing here. Okay, and so what we're going to do is go over here, and we're going to put a break there. So we're going to right click and we're going to split that. Okay, so as you see right here that we have a split, just like we split the rest of these, we put a split right here. So then I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to drag it right back there to where I put the split. I'm going to go to the video that I want to include, and I'm going to right click that video and I'm going to add to project. Okay, so I added that video to my project. So what's going to happen here is we're going to go just a little bit before, okay, and then we're going to play a little bit of it, and then it's going to jump to the video, and it's going to go back into our regular project.
Until a man is emotionally attached to you, it ain't no different than the rest.
And so if we scroll over to the end of that video, then we're going to go to the rest. We're going to go back at the end of it. We're going to go back to our video. So if you were talking into a video, you were talking and doing a segment, then you would go back to your video after the segment. So anyway, that's how you do it. It's very easy and very quick. I don't think this took very much time at all for us to record this. So if you have any questions or concerns or comments, just please let us know in the comment section. If there's anything that you want to see, that you want to know how to do, just put it in the comment section and we'll get that taken care of for you. Okay? Have a great day.